They came from stars. They had to come from somewhere. Well, that would include carbon and nitrogen and oxygen and silicon and iron and dozens of other elements that were not there at the Big Bang. Early stars that manufactured them in their core through thermonuclear fusion. The universe was already sort of 2/3 old before our solar system came on the scene. Because of the history of this exercise, we labeled our generation of stars, such as the sun that made our planets, we labeled that population 1. So the hunt was on to find stars of lower abundance of heavy elements than that of the sun. So we came to call those population 2 stars. These would have no heavy elements at all. Right. So the James Webb Space Telescope that is exquisitely tuned to observe the birth of galaxies found evidence for the mythical population 3 stars. Spectra is the way to know what elements lurk in the atmospheres of stars that are there. You go to this early galaxy and there's no sign of any heavy elements at all. The best evidence yet for that mythical population 3 star that is made of just the ingredients of the Big Bang itself. Maybe there's a gas cloud that's in the way that is masquerading as a star that has no heavy elements. And you can presume that this light is the summed light of its stars, but it could be gas clouds that are in the way. And it's easier to think of how you can just have a gas cloud that has no heavy elements that just came right out of the Big Bang, so left over from the Big Bang. So it remains to be confirmed, but if it is, as all good scientific results need to be done before they become part of what is objectively true in the world, if it is confirmed, it'll be the first evidence of the first stars in the universe. So this is their efforts to try to look at the data coming to us from the early universe and try to make sense of what's going on there. This has been a What's Up With That? Neil deGrasse Tyson here, as always, bidding you to keep looking up.
James Webb Space Telescope researchers think they've spotted what could be the universe's earliest generation of stars, the elusive population 3 era.